part 2. Everything's been repainted. Everything was sealed first. Everything's been sealed. There's been red oxide on the metal coatings on all the corners, under the steps. 4 coats applied, literally everywhere, all inside. Lovely house. Lick of paint, done it proud. Keep it going for a while. Customer can take off these bits of tape which we've used for the edging. It's been taped up all the way around. Yeah, love it. And that's it, folks. Jetted off, filled, sanded. In all fairness, it probably all could have been doing with re-skimmed, but it's just a tidy up, because it's all going to be being knocked down soon and being redone again, all nice and properly. Yeah, nice paint job. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. And if there's any painting that you guys need, give us a call. We'll be only too happy to give you a quote. And that's it. Thanks for watching.